Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my June Morpheme makeup subscription. So, this is the month of June. June is almost over already, but so this month it says the perfect blend. It looks like there's some coffee stuff. So this month we only have 3 brushes. These are the Y series. So let's just start off with, let's start off with this one. This is the Morphe Y7. This is a round buffer brush. This is a kabuki style brush. So that would be good for foundations and liquids and powder, like foundations and stuff like that. It is making weird noise, but anyhow. So it's super soft, and this is definitely going to be good for pouncing in like foundation and blending that out. So that is exciting. And then this one here, this is the Y1 brush, and it is super floofy and nice and big. This is a precision pointed powder brush, and this is blush and bronzer if you are doing it like that. Okay, so that is what this one is for. It's nice and fluffy and it's super soft. And then there's one more left, and this is the Morphe Y12 brush. This is what it looks like. And this is the Pro Flat Contour Brush, so it is for contouring. I have one that is very, very similar to this, and I'm not very excited about getting these kind of brushes a lot. I've been getting them quite a bit. I don't really use these ones very often. I use them for my nose pretty much, and that's it. I like to use more of a fluffy brush to actually blend out my contouring. So, not that I'm wearing any, but I do use this for my nose. So, yeah. Those are this month's Morpheme brushes. Okay, so that is these 3. If you have used any 3 of these brushes before, leave me a comment in the comments below and tell me what you would like them for, if that is what you actually use them for. Oh wait, if you guys want to see a video on my favorite Morphe brushes that I've gotten in my Morpheme subscription, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make a video for you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!